Oh, that's the wrong time.
Soca Kingdom, Soca Kingdom, Soca Kingdom. Who ready? We now start. Get ready, day. Sit up on start.
Time to love, guys.
We lining up, ready to charge ahead. Forward is not enough. I want you to jump up, trample the ground now. We headed to downtown. Girl, all on the railing. So much woman are trailing. Follow the big song. Get ready to mash down. All in the stadium. The whole of the kingdom come down. Time to show me your waves. Time to get out of line. You're born and ready for pace. Come on, wind in the roadway. All in front of the gateway. All in front of the people. This is the kingdom. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Free it up. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Every beat I did. Free it up. Wine and free it up. Every road is a stage. Free it up. Wine and free it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Why, yeah, yeah, yo. Free it up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Free it up. Why, yeah, 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 yo. Free it up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wine and free it up. Free it up. I want you to throw your waist. I want you to throw your waist. Give me that attitude. Now it's a whining mood. Don't give me no grumpy face. Somebody go take your place. Better not play the fool. They're rushing it down like food. You're waiting a long time. Enough for the standby. Head up to the front line. Get ready for more wine. If you're fed up of frustration, get into formation. Now it's a celebration. Cause the kingdom come down. Time to show me your waves. Time to get out of line. You're born and ready for pace. Come on, wine in the roadway. All in front of the gateway. All in front of the people. Business first. This is the kingdom. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Free it up. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Every beat I did. Free it up. Wine and free it up. Every road is a stage. Free it up. Wine and free it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wine and free it up. Wine and free it up. Why, yeah, yeah, yo. Free it up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Free it up. Why, yeah, 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 yo. Free it up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wine and free it up.
We're just giving people a few more minutes to log in, and then we'll start at maybe 8:03. One more minute.
One more minute.
Oh, my mom is gonna cry. Love the support guy. Oh my god.
Okay, starting in 1 minute.
Yep. If everybody's here, feel free to grab a bottle and a spoon. This book is all about music, so get into it if you want to. We have ours. You can get yours.
Hope you have them ready.
Yes. Hi. Hi.
I guess we can start.
Okay, let's do this. 8:03. I think that gives enough people enough time to log in, and if they show up late, that's okay. Just keep enjoying.
Yeah. So hi everybody. Welcome back everyone to Read2Me TT bedtime series. We are you ready for another bedtime story? Woo! So my name is Martha.
And I'm Jessica.
And we are teachers in the Learning Common. We're actually based in Toronto.
Does anybody know what country Toronto is located in? Comments.
Yes.
Toronto is located in Canada. That's right. We are in Canada right now, but we are both Trinis. We're just happy to be with you guys from all the way across here, and let's get into this. But before we start, kids, I know that the last few months have had us inside, but just remember that we're all being heroes in our own way by staying inside and flattening the curve. Tonight, we're going to be reading this great story. It's called Boy Boy and the Magic Drum.
Yes, Auntie Jessica, this beautiful book was written by TNT's treasure, Machel Montano.
And it was illustrated by Kenneth Scott. Let's do this. Thanks everybody for joining us.
Yes, and don't forget your bottle and your spoon.
Yeah.
We're going to use it later.
Okay.
Okay. There once was a boy named Boy Boy who was as tiny as a toy. Boy Boy lived in Carnival Land, which was once the most colorful place on earth. But it had changed since the factory came to town. The factory provided electricity, so everyone depended on it. But it was destroying Carnival Land's beauty. Its chimneys coughed plumes of colored fumes into the air, and the slippery sludge spewed into the streams.
Oh my gosh. Does that look good?
Blech.
Not so
Gross.
beautiful. Not the Carnival Land that we love and know. The factory had also brought prosperity to Carnival Land. Children no longer surfed and swam. They played on their computers and stayed indoors. Boy Boy's family was poor and they couldn't afford such things, so Boy Boy made his own toys. He made a thumb piano from an old sardine tin he found by Mr. Chung's grocery, and he spent long hours making music with it. Check it out.
Look at that little instrument.
Do you guys ever try to make your own instruments? We should try that.
Right? So, Boy Boy was excited. The peace parade would soon be here. It didn't matter if you were rich or poor. The peace parade was the biggest party in the land. Everyone could participate. Beads, feathers, gold, and glitter flew off the shelves at Mr. Govia's Cultural Emporium as people prepared for the parade.
Ooh, check it out. What does it remind us of in Trinidad that we celebrate? Carnival time. Then something unexpected happened. The factory shut down the day before the peace parade. It clanked and it clonked. It belched black smoke into the sky. It creaked and then it croaked. Without electricity from the factory, Carnival Land was a dark, silent, and scary place. The people were full of despair because there would be no music for the peace parade this year. Check it out. Not looking like the best.
On his way home, Boy Boy passed the garbage heap by the factory. Ping pong, ping pong. An old man played a drum in a field littered with the factory's discarded drums. Boy Boy drew nearer. His granny used these drums to catch the rainwater and to plant things. She even used it to barbecue chicken. But Boy Boy never knew a drum could make such a beautiful sound and such beautiful music. A color sparked with each note the old man played, and the rusty drum became a shiny beacon in his hands.
Oh, do you guys think you can guess what instruments he might have just created or found? A rustle in the bushes scared Boy Boy, but it was only Pookie, the little mongrel dog that belonged to everyone. When Boy Boy turned, the music, the colors, and the old man had vanished. Oh, what happened? Okay, sorry. I lost my place. Sorry. A rustle in the bushes scared Boy Boy, but it was only Pookie, the little mongrel dog that belonged to everyone. When Boy Boy turned, the music, the colors, and the old man had vanished. Boy Boy picked up the rusty drum, and he couldn't believe his eyes. There were words inscribed in gold inside. Darkness has befallen Carnival Land. Whosoever finds this magic drum must make a rainbow brew. Flavor it with all that is good and true. Simple is your task, but do it with care, because you must save the peace parade this year. Boy Boy took the drum and headed home.
Look at that.
Ooh.
That was the quietest and darkest night ever in Carnival Land. As he lay in bed, Boy Boy heard a floorboard squeak. Eek! His heart raced as he peeped above the covers. In the corner on a chair sat the old magic man. A soft glow shone around him. Boy whispered, "I found the drum, but what am I to do? I do not have the rainbow brew."
Oh no. The magic man said, "Play the drum and take a look around you." Boy played, and the magic drum summoned up a symphony of 1,000 drums, bottles, and spoons, joined together in a musical monsoon. "Simple is your task, but do it with great care, because you, boy, must save the peace parade this year," the magic man said, and disappeared. Boy knew what he must do. What do you guys think he's gonna do?
The next day, Boy's parents laughed when he told them his plan. There was no way a tiny boy could save the biggest parade in the land. But Boy was determined, so they allowed him to go into the town to play his drum.
Oh. All right, this is when you guys can grab your bottles. From every cranny and nook of the town, the music of the land flowed through the drum. Licky-ting, licky-ting, licky-ting. Boy was joined by Lee Wing. Bradang, bradang, bradang. Then came Errol, Esau, and Chezian. Kerpluggety, pluggety, plung. Then came the curious Kim Fung. Patang, pang, patang. Mr. Rand's tie and I rang. Katak, 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 went the bamboo brought from the forest by Mr. Mongrel. Patung, 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 patung. Someone played a bottle and spoon. Oh my, take a look, guys.
Look at all those people
Oh my
on
goodness.
the streets. People both rich and poor spilled out of their homes to follow Boy. A few people even wore their costumes. Someone lifted Boy and his drum into the air and began a rousing cheer. Boy looked down and instantly knew. The colorful people beneath him were the Rainbow Brew. The Govias, the Mungrews, the Williams, the Rands, they had all come together to save Carnival Land. Hip, 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 everyone shouted.
Boy has saved our peace parade. That's the end of it, guys. You guys can take a quick look at the last picture. Everybody's celebrating. So happy with Boy. That's it. Wow, that was a good book. I love that one.
Yeah.
Did you guys play with your music? Let us know. It's a little bit funny singing those parts, but still so much fun.
It was.
Oh my goodness.
So, Jessica, what was your favorite part of the book?
I think that my favorite part is the way everybody in the community came together and celebrated with Boy at the end, because it really is very similar to the way we celebrate Carnival in Trinidad, and it shows the way we can all come together to be a better group of people. What about you? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the magic man. He was so mysterious, but really I love the colors that he used when he played the pan. It was really beautiful, and I just loved that.
This book made me super homesick, guys, so I'm really jealous of you guys who are in Trinidad right now, but I'm so glad that we could share this together.
Yeah,
Send us a comment with what your favorite part was. We would love to hear what you guys enjoyed the most. Will there be a carnival next year? Let's find out.
Will we need a magic man?
Oh, maybe.
A magic musical
A magic
man.
music man. Okay, so.
Hey, Jay.
Oh, hi, everybody. Okay, send us some love, guys. Say hello.
But
So-
yeah, so I guess that's
it
really
for the day.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. But just before we go, I want to give you guys a little reminder. Are you guys listening? Do you guys want to be superheroes? Here's what you guys can do to help. Wash your hands with soap. Sing happy birthday twice while you're washing your hands so that you know that you've been washing them long enough. Keep your hands out of your mouths. And remind mommy, daddy, granny, everybody to wear your masks if they're going out.
We can do this, and we're all together in this. So see you tomorrow, kiddies, for a brand new story with 2 new readers. See
Thanks
you.
for joining us. Bye.